Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and at the same time see my screen. So I'd like us to start off analysis with the chart on my screen. We had a very good support level here. We had a very good support around 0.88345. The other one is 0.88174. So this right here was a very good place to look for a buy from. If you took a buy position from here, we are expecting that the price is going to continue to move to the upper side, at least up to this resistance level. So we do recommend that you keep looking for buy positions. We do recommend that you keep looking for buy orders, expecting a break and a close above this zone. If that happens, then the price is likely going to continue in that direction. But the next chart is GBP Euro USD, sorry. With Euro USD so far, the only main zone which you're looking at is this one. This is a very good resistance zone. So if the price does not ascend and close above it, this should give us the best place to look for a sell from. We also have a place to look for a buy from, which is this one. So temporarily ignore the red zone which we are having here. Focus on this green zone. This is going to be a good place to look for a buy from. We do expect that the buyers are going to continue to push us upwards up to somewhere within this red zone. If the price ascends above it, then that will be a good sign that we are now continuing to the upper side. So other than that zone, the other zone where we may want to look for a buy from is this zone here. So this is another zone. If the price can retrace back down and touch it, then this will give us the best place to look for a buy from. So you may pick a buy here, expecting that the buyers will push us upwards up to this zone. If this is broken, then we expect the price to continue to the upper side. If the price descends below this zone here, then the price may likely continue downwards up to this point, up to this zone here. So we have a very good buy place, or you may wait and buy it here, or you may wait and buy it somewhere here. So as I mentioned previously, anytime you pick a position, your stop loss should be below the low of the next zone. If you pick a buy here, your stop loss is below this zone. If you pick a buy here, your stop loss is below the low of this zone here. That's my opinion. The next chart is a GBP USD. With the GBP USD so far, we have a very good resistance here. We have a very good support. We have a support. We have a support here. So where the price is right now is actually a good place to look for a buy from. So as I mentioned, if you pick a buy position where the price is now, have your stop loss below the low of this zone here. And if you pick a buy here, have your stop loss below the low of this zone. And if you pick a buy there, then you should have a stop loss below the low of the next zone, which is this one here. So basically speaking, we may be seeing the buyers coming in around this area, because this is also a good support place. This is a very good support, and while the price does not descend and close below it, that may likely be a good place to look for a buy from. So basically speaking, that's my opinion on that chart. The other chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. So on this chart, as we're speaking now, if you ignore these few zones, these ones, we have a very good bullish break of structure here. So if the price can clearly ascend and close above this line, 150.695, then we want to see a retracement back towards the same zone to pick a buy position, expecting that the bars will continue to push us upwards up to the next level, which is 151.038. If this is broken, expect the next place to look for a sell from will be this one. If that is broken, the next place is this one here. So we either look for a sell here, or wait and look for a sell here, or you may wait and look for a sell when the price hits the upper zone. The places to look for a buy from is this one. or this one, or this one here. So if you don't buy it there, you can wait and buy it here. If you don't buy it there, you can wait and buy it somewhere here. My next chart. My next chart is gold. With gold, so far, we have a very good resistance zone. There are actually two. We have the first one here. This is the first one, sorry. We have the next one. We have the next resistance. Then we have a very good support. We have a support, we have a support, and we have a support here. So as we're speaking right now, this is a good place to look for a buy from. At the same time, it is a good place we may want to look for a sell from, because we just had a bearish break of structure here. So while we continue to see sustenance below this line, we are going to be looking for sell positions, expecting that the sellers will push us downwards at least up to this level here. So keep looking for sell orders below this line with your target at 1925.17. If that is broken, then we will expect a break below 1912.87. If that is broken, the next place to look for a trade from is this line here. And we have the last line around this level here. So I think that should be the end of today's analysis. We are going to meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.